In the life cycle of SAP systems, there's often times when organizations need to bring data from one system as they move to another, or potentially sunset SAP systems. We often see organizations keeping old SAP systems that were part of an acquisition or divestiture that are literally just in display mode only. With the Object Extract program, we can bring data out into an XML standard so that the organization can have display-only access to that data in an efficient storage format and therefore switch off those old SAP systems. As companies are looking at the options for moving to S/4HANA, this is particularly valuable when they want to look at doing a brownfield or greenfield implementation to be able to keep the data that they don't want to bring across to the new system.